rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I beat you. I miss my wife and kids, ne? Guys, I'm coming soon, ne?
Hey Sergi boy, I miss you so much, my son. I can't wait to see you. One day you'll be doing your own training camp with your professional team. Love you lots, my boyki.
South Africa, Ulegala, to recent Riley and my wife. Love you, gang.
Hello everybody at home. We're having lots of fun here in Spain, but we can't wait to come back. To my wife and kids, miss you.
I'd like to send a shout out to Bram Fischer, Miss Rain Street, and also Argentina is winning the World Cup. I want to sing something. Por Malvina, por el Diego, por la última de Leo.
Must go to Argentina, eh? Coming strong. The camp is good. Let's go Spain. A por ellos.
I just want to give a shout out to my community in Cape Town, Steenberg, and then also send a message to my wife and kids at home. We are working hard and we're gonna do the job this season.
Just want to give a shout out to my community at home. Oma, mense by die huis, hoop om julle trots te maak die seisoen. Dankie.
Hey, boe pile.
To Amakhosi fans, you see this season, ne? You see this season, ne? Let me keep quiet. Talk is cheap. You will see. Shout out to my grandmother back at home. I just want to say thank you for everything. I am who I am today. It's because of you. I love you and I miss you so much.
Just want to shout out to Majita Kuka Sireka Ufela. Danko.
Sawona mama. Ngithanda ukuthi ngikhumbulile, ngiyakuthanda, and I can't wait to come back home and see you. We're right.
Hello nses. Ha! Kijula ndisibindi madoda kunjalo siyanibaphem. Thank you guys for be supportive and all throughout the preseason.
Quality of the head.
We're trying to make you guys proud this season. Sharp guys.
Aqueles que desistem nunca vencem. Aqueles que vencem nunca desistem. Winners never quit. Quitters never win. Quote of the day.
Another day, another dollar in Spain. The best is nothing.
Yes.
Hi everyone, Zita here. It's hard to miss you. Hope you're having a great time.
Mshini here. We are locked in for the new season. Amakhosi for life.
I just want to say happy birthday to my baby, Jody Lee. I miss you and my boy so much and I can't wait to see you guys.
I'd like to take this moment to send a special shout out to my mom back home. Mama, your son is doing okay, he's doing well, and ngiyakuthanda lapha ekhaya. Sharp.
Nkosi sikeleli Africa maluphakamisu khona.
Amakhosi for life.